It is always a good idea to exercise your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent when you are in custody. While a police officer may ask you for your name and your address, those are answers that are okay to give, but if anything else is being asked of you and you are not comfortable answering those questions or you feel like they may incriminate you, it is important to tell the police officer that you would like to speak with an attorney before answering any additional questions. A nolo contendere plea tells the court that you are not contesting the charge against you. It does not have the same consequences as a guilty plea, but it is a way of closing your case without going to trial. The nolo plea can sometimes be used for some criminal offenses, but is most commonly used for traffic offenses. The nolo plea can only be used once every 5 years, so make sure you know whether you qualify for one and make sure that you will not need it for anything in the next 5 years. The benefits of a nolo plea, especially in a traffic citation, are that you will not have points added onto your driver's license for using a nolo plea. So for example, if you're using it in a speeding ticket, you may have points added onto your driver's license that could go towards a suspension within 2 years, and your insurance rate may increase. When you use a nolo plea for that type of citation, you will not have points added onto your driver's license, and the offense will not be reported to your insurance, so your insurance rate should not increase. Once you've been arrested and released from jail, there are several things that will happen next in your criminal case. Several months may go by before you hear anything, and that is because the state is taking their time to investigate your case, to draw up a formal accusation, or to get an indictment. Once you receive a court notice, that first court notice will likely be for an arraignment calendar. The arraignment calendar is where you go and you tell the court that you plead not guilty in these cases, and you will request 10 days to file motions in your case. It is important to have an attorney with you at the arraignment calendar because they will know exactly what to do and they will abide by the deadline that the court has set. Once the motions have been filed, your case will be placed on a motions calendar, which is when your attorney will challenge any of the evidence that the state will be trying to use against you. After the motions hearing, your case may be dismissed if it is a favorable outcome, or your case may move along to a jury trial calendar. When it is on a jury trial calendar, you will tell the judge whether you are ready for trial or whether you'd like to have negotiations with the prosecutor and perhaps get a good offer and close the case out with a plea.